Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marion. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. I have filmed this before, but the quality was really bad, so I thought I would do this again. Hope you enjoy. Okay guys, to start off with, I'm using this e.l.f. primer, and just for reference, I have really oily skin. I would highly recommend this primer, and it's really affordable as well. Next, I'm going in with this HMB Cosmetics foundation, and this is a matte foundation, and I absolutely love this foundation, hands down. You can see, you can't even tell the difference between my skin tone and the foundation. It's just like literally a perfect match. Also, the brush that I'm using is like a dual-sided brush, and I believe I bought this from AliExpress. It is really good for buffing in your foundation. Next, I'll be going in with this HMB Cosmetics concealer, and this is a shade or two lighter than my skin tone. This is really nice under the eye, and I also use another concealer which is just a tad bit lighter to kind of highlight my under eye too. Next, I'm going in with this Huda Beauty Foundation Stick to Contour, and I've been using this for years on end. I really love this formulation. It is highly recommended as well. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend in my concealer, and also just for reference, my eyebrows, I used the palette from Juvia's Place, the eyeshadow palette, to do my eyebrows, and this was the first time I actually used powder to do eyebrows. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, here we're going in with the e.l.f. liquid blush, and I think this is in the shade Cameo. It's kind of like a pink blush. I really like it. This highlighter I'm using is from Amazon, and I bought it absolutely years ago. I don't even remember how I stumbled across it because it's not a brand I'm familiar with, but I highlight the tip of my nose and also along my cheekbones. This is the most versatile palette in my case, and this is from Juvia's Place. I use this as an eyeshadow. You saw me earlier mention that I use it for my eyebrows. Saw me mention or heard me mention? Anyway, I use it for my eyebrows, I use it for my eyeshadow, and I also use it as contour too. This blush is from TikTok Shop, and I actually bought this before I knew about the NYX blushes. I think this is a dupe to the NYX blushes. It's kind of like a hot pink, and I think it looks really nice on dark skin tones. To set my face, I'm using the e.l.f. makeup spray, setting spray. And yeah, I'm quite generous with this, to be fair. I'm using the Juvia's Place palette that I showed you earlier as a lip liner. I'm really struggling to find a lip liner that suits my skin tone. If you are dark skinned, can you recommend me a lip liner, please? Because yeah, I'm struggling. But anyway, this works for me for now. And the lipstick I bought from TikTok Shop. It's kind of like orange brown, I believe. What do you guys think? This lip gloss is also from TikTok Shop, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like button, and I hope to see you in my next video.